There we go. Guys, I'm so excited. I got me a Bonafide RS117. And so we are going to dive into this, unbox this thing, do whatever we got to do to make it, get it all ready to go. Not everything, but we're going to get it all built. I don't know if it comes in a few pieces, like the chair probably has to be built and stuff like that. I really don't know. It's my first kayak, guys. I'm so excited to be able to add this stuff, add this content to the channel. But anyways, let's get into this unboxing of the RS117 from Bonafide. It's part of the Rise series, their budget kayaks. And I'll get into a little bit more of the details. Let's do this first unboxing real quick, and then we will talk about it later. This is huge. Alright guys, welcome back. You just probably seen a quick unboxing of this pretty sweet looking Bonafide RS117. I'm going to give you guys, so this is just after getting it unboxed. I don't have the chair figured out yet. This is just getting all the wrapping off of it. I'm going to give you guys a rundown and let you guys see this thing. And that's what it looks like just out of the packaging. Alright guys, I'm back. So the first step was clipping this into the seat clips here, seat locks, and then taking out these two screws that were in this lock right here. And then I believe the third step is to slide seat back attachment tabs into slots at the bottom of the frame. So I'm no expert here, guys. This is my first kayak. We're just getting this set up. So hey Linky, you want to come up? Can you come over on that side?
And hold it like in that thing?
Yeah, just hold it in that thing right there. You can move these things a little bit. There you go. Just hold it right there for me. Good job.
I don't know why it'll fall out.
Right. Okay.
The other side?
So you tighten the screw until it's flush on the back side. I don't have that one quite down all the way. I'm going to put this one in first.
Sorry, I'm not sure I am.
Not talking to you, Siri. There we go. Can you hold it up? Hold it right there. Good job. All right. So I will get this going through all the way till it's flush. It's flush right there.
And why would it fall down?
That we got one more step to keep it upright.
I didn't know that.
That looks flush. All right. So the last step is putting the straps back together. So just go through.
Oh.
All right, guys. So I figured out. I can't figure out how to not get Siri to stop talking to me, but goodness. Okay. So figured out the strap here. Just go in this back hole here. Pull that through, and then go in the front hole.
Your thing's twisted. The other one.
Oh. There we go. Yep. Just go in the back hole, and then we put it through the front hole here. And that's the straps. There we go. All right, guys, so we are going to put the bow and the stern handle on. And so first things first is tip over or flip over the kayak. So we're gonna flip this over. This would be a great time for you guys to see the whole of the boat, the shape of it, and what supposedly makes this thing stable. Let's put on these handles here. All right, guys, so we got the kayak flipped over. So we're gonna put on the handles. Get one of the screws out of the packages. Should fit in there just like this. Right, nice and tight. Get the other screw here. And I'm just going to repeat the process on the back. Not much different. All right, there you have it. I got the handles on, and what we're gonna do is I'm gonna grab the camera from my wife, and we are going to I'll give you a close-up view of this hole, and so you guys can see it. All right. All right, guys, here is a close-up of the hole. You can see what looks like two kind of pontoon type shapes on the very edges. Is what gives it that stability that Bonafide is known for. Here's how the back looks. I'm very excited to get this out on the water. I mean, I'm a pretty big guy. I'm 6'1", about 250, 260 pounds, and stability was a big part of why I bought this kayak. And so I'm excited to see on the water. It's my first kayak. I don't really have anything to compare it to, but I'm gonna be excited to see how stable this really is. Well, I dropped it, and it still survived. All right, guys. So I am sitting here in the kayak. I just wanted to do this, kind of wrap up this video. So I bought the kayak on fishusa.com, and I found it for $9.99, and it was like $100 for shipping, 99 bucks. Ended up being like $1,098, I believe, $1,098, or I think there was like an $8 handling fee or something on there too. So right around $1,100 to be at my doorstep. So far, I'm pumped. I'm so excited to be able to put some new content out for you guys, and a new avenue of content. It's a new thing for me. I'm gonna be learning. I'm gonna be showing you guys as I learn. I definitely don't know how to do this. I definitely don't know what all the ins and outs. I've been researching. If you guys want to drop a line in the comment, just give me some tips. Tell me some videos you guys want to see, and I'll see what I can put together. I'm gonna unbox my PFD and unbox my paddle that I got, and do that on maybe a separate video or something. Do an unboxing of those. I actually bought those from ACK. They had a deal going on, and I decided to buy it from there. But anyways, I bought the Bonafide RS117 because of the stability, but I needed it in a budget friendly. I was thinking about the Big Fish 120, but this was the kayak I really wanted. I originally wanted the SS 127, but I decided to downgrade to this one just for budgetary reasons. I mean, I'm just starting out on this channel. I'm not making any money from it, and so had to talk the wife into let me spend a little bit of our money and get started with this kayak thing. I think I might do some fishing tournaments, but definitely not going to dive into that right off the bat, because I think the number one thing that I've researched is you got to learn to be a kayaker. You know, even if you're going to do this for fishing purposes, you're a kayaker first, because you got to know the ins and outs, and that's for safety reasons. Because you know, I don't want anybody going out and getting a kayak and getting hurt, because my number one goal is to do this in a safe way. And so that's kind of what I'm doing, researching right now, is trying to figure that out. I will do a more in-depth like review or look at the kayak. This is just an unboxing video, and so I'm gonna leave this and cut this right now, cut this short, and we'll talk a little bit more about it next time. Guys, thanks for watching. I know you guys can't see it, but I got new shirts. Check the link down below. It says Bass Kicking Outdoors. This one's all sweaty because I've been in this hot warehouse unboxing this kayak, but check out the shirts. Buy them. It supports the channel, and they look pretty cool. I'm gonna be coming out with some new designs. I'm gonna try to create a logo soon, and so kind of go check that out. Here, I'll give you guys a quick view of the shirt here. But it says Bass Kicking Outdoors, and so just anyways, it's in the link below. So thank you guys. Thanks for watching. Thanks for hitting that subscribe button. Please hit that like button, and as always, I'll catch you guys next time.